What's up, lemons? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So right now we're in Buckeye. We drove about an hour to come pick up a vehicle. Kind of struggling right now. Just trailer doesn't have any lights and super dark out here. But we got Dane here in the Defender. He's about to give us some lights. So give us a second. You can see him back there. That's the car we're picking up. You guys will see it here in a second. But there we go. Now we got some lights, baby. Let's go. Hopefully there's no one coming this way because I don't got lights on the truck, but let's go ahead and start going back.
Yeah,
all right, let's get this thing loaded up.
Older BMWs and Mercedes. Run like the original BBS stuff.
What do you think, Jimmy? Alright guys, so we got the 4Runner loaded up. Everything's strapped in pretty well. We just picked up a 2004 Subaru Impreza WRX STI. This thing's got a lot of parts inside of it. Engine, trans, and axles are all on it as well. So realistically, we just got to make sure everything is not chopped. Like these wires here looked fine when I looked at them, but we just got to inspect the whole vehicle and see what we can do to get it started. There's about 2 turbos in the trunk and all the other stuff that you could ask for a build. So we're gonna drive it back to the house and leave it there for a second. It's gonna be a couple of day process just because we got to figure out where we're gonna store the vehicle so we can actually take everything apart. I don't want to do it in the backyard as we did everything else like the MR2. So it's first appearance from the 4Runner, doing its job. It's doing pretty well, and I'm excited to get this thing going. All right guys, so we got the STI on the ground. We took out all the spare pieces that were just sitting in the car. I also took out the front chairs. I'm going to get this thing deep cleaned because it's super dirty on the inside. It's been sitting for about a year plus. The guy that I bought it from said it's been sitting at his house for a year and he got it from someone else. There was also coolant sitting right here in the spare tire area for the past year or so. So it made the car smell really bad, and that's also why I'm taking out this interior, so I can just clean it up and get everything else worked out. But yeah, let's go ahead and test out this motor right here. We're gonna see if it spins or moves without us having to force it. So let's see what we can do. Those are weird. Alright, Lemon, so we just spent the whole day researching and looking at parts online and everything like that for the STI. Got a couple sites up here already that we got just about $2,300, $2,500 or so worth of parts that we're looking to order. You know, rods, bearings, piston rings, fuel pump, stuff like that. Everything that you're gonna need to get the car running first, and obviously hold the power that we're looking to put towards the vehicle. So it's about 1 a.m. already, and I've also spent about the past hour looking at wheels because I have a specific wheel I'm trying to find. And if I can find them now, better to get them as soon as you can, just because you don't know if you're gonna find them again. So I spent about, like I said, an hour looking through 70 plus pages worth of wheels, and we've gotten close to what I'm looking for, but haven't found them just yet. So we're gonna hold off for now, go to sleep. Tomorrow we're gonna go look at the Subaru again. I'd like to try to get the pistons out if I can, just so I can see if they're good. I'm gonna replace them anyway, so I got those in the shopping cart. but I'd like to see what kind of damage is done to the motor. We can already see that probably a bearing was spun or something like that. One of the rods shakes. I don't know if I have it shown in the video, but one of the rods shakes, so we either had rod knock in it or whatever. But anyways, like we said, we got a lot of parts ordered, not ordered just yet, but about to order. So we're gonna jump on that tomorrow and see what else we need to do, and hopefully I can find these wheels, spend a little bit more time trying to find these wheels. But if not, then hey, we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna show you how much we can crank it by hand. It gets stuck about 1.5 turns in. So let's start. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but. And that's where it gets stuck at. So piston comes up halfway and then goes down, and that's all we can do.
Let's get these pistons out.
All right, Lemon, so the block is officially taken apart. It's in 2 pieces sitting right here. We're going to, got a couple other things just to take off on it. The rest of the pieces around here, just like the motor mounts and stuff like that. And then we're going to be sending it off and hopefully doing a closed deck on the block, and then probably building it, because we might as well. We already have a lot of parts that just got delivered today, like the rods, injectors, and all that type of stuff. So what we're gonna do now, like I said, once we send it off to get that block closed decked, we got to get pistons for it still. We got to get new headers, because I can't run the OEM headers with the power that we're going to be looking to do. And then once we, order a bunch of other stuff, we can finally put it all back together and hopefully get it running. Once it's running, we're going to order wheels and a couple other parts for the vehicle as well. Sorry, I'm forgetting what I'm trying to say here, but yeah, it's coming along pretty good so far, at least. But I think we're going to be ending it there. So thank you guys for watching this video today. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know in the comments. Love to hear what you guys think about the new Subaru. But remember, stay sweet and not sour.